You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly, and yes, you're going to be able to tell us in the comments if this is correct or not. There are videos, including I think some of the most popular or viewed ones on this name on YouTube and on the internet, that are wrong and say Ade. No, it's generally pronounced as Ade. Do you pronounce it Ade yourself? Where are you from as well? Let us know in the comments. Anybody says it as Ade, let us know. It's generally Ade. Do you have any tips for us to remember, or exactly precisely how you say it, your local accent or way of pronouncing it, your local pronunciation? Let us know with details in the pronunciation in the comments. Ade. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.